Make a great choice today with 2004 RX 330. This luxury SUV from Lexus debuted in 1998 and was the first luxury SUV to hit the market. Besides being the pioneer for luxury SUVs, the RX 330 gives the driver similar dimensions to the Jeep Grand Cherokee with the refinements of Lexus and quality of Toyota. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.